YouTube, I'm back. So I'm working on the fuel tank. He had a little issue with the fuel hand messing up, and it wasn't reading like it was supposed to. I've been fighting with it, since I had the car. I've been trying to figure out what was going on with it. I even took the dash out, got the hand broken down and looked at it. So I got it set up. So I'm gonna run you through what's going on. This right here is the fuel pump assembly. For some reason, this right here had a chip in it, and it had I guess this is like foam, and the outside of it is coated with some kind of hard plastic, but it chipped off. So it was always reading half, and I had to figure out why. So this is why it was, soaking up this gas, and then hand was just reading down, and it was just, reading off. And two, these wires, it was, it's not reading right. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how it's working. I'm gonna turn the key on. So now that I know that is the issue, I'm gonna go ahead and get one on order, and I'll just turn it back on. YouTube, so I'm back. I'm just getting in the car. I want to put some gas in it, and got the fuel here working. As you see, I got like a half a tank. It was on empty, so it's just let me know that everything working. The speed hand wasn't working. I got that fixed. It's a whole lot, man. It run pretty good. I'm just cruising in it right now. I'm just driving it. You see how everything work on it. Yeah, so I'm gonna go take it by the car wash and spray it off right quick, get it looking a little bit better. But I'll turn it back on once I do that. Perfect. So y'all like, share, and subscribe. Man, just keep, sharing the videos, man. All right, we out. Peace.